Welcome to this 5-minute guide to meditation for cultivating gratitude. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down, close your eyes, and let's begin. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment. Exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Repeat this deep breathing 2 more times, allowing yourself to relax more. With each breath, bring your attention to your feet. Notice any sensations and allow them to relax. Gradually, move your focus up through your legs, hips, abdomen, chest, shoulders, arms, neck, and face. With each breath, release any remaining tension and feel your body becoming more relaxed. Focus on the natural rhythm of your breath. Notice how your body gently rises and falls with each inhale and exhale. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. Think of something or someone you are grateful for. It could be a person, a place, an experience, or even a simple moment of joy. Visualize this in your mind, recalling the details and the feelings associated with it. Spend a few moments immersing yourself in this sense of gratitude. Silently repeat a gratitude affirmation to yourself. I am grateful for the blessings in my life. I appreciate the goodness around me. Feel the warmth of gratitude spreading through your body with each breath. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one final deep breath in and exhale completely. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of gratitude with you. Thank you for taking this time to cultivate gratitude. Remember, you can return to this practice anytime to reconnect with the positive aspects of your life. Have a wonderful day. Please share this gift of meditation with someone you love.